Well, here we have the new release Hollystone's HS160, the Shadow. In this neat little box comes nice instructions, quick start, a transmitter with very nicely laid out buttons, very comfortable and ergonomic. Also holds the phone for FPV Wi-Fi. Nice little bag of goodies, extra prop, charger, screwdriver, buttons, extra battery, very nice battery enclosed. Very nice burn time on that one. And in this nice little velour bag was this. Has a nice camera, movable, and it's pocket sized. As you can see, I'm holding this phone, the propellers pop out. And there you have it. Batteries installed, drone with its propellers, and all set to go. Instruction manual, and the next little video will be a test flight.